Gracias, Jesus Cristo, for the blessings.
It could have been way worse, but I think of what God's doing all around us. And I'm just like,
Yeah.
It's papitas. Like
Papitas, mamas. Here we are at our soon-to-be home that's just getting built right now, and making progress. You can see we have a good amount of lumber here. We're assuming that this is going up tomorrow. So we got a 2-story house, and I would say for what, maybe like 3 weeks or so, it's been just sitting like this, right?
Yeah, it's like 2 weeks.
Like 2 weeks or so. You need help getting through or no? Okay. So yeah, for about a couple weeks at this point, the house has kind of just been sitting kind of as is, and we've been waiting for, to see some additional progress. Well, we think we're next. More of these rafters right here, or these floor joists rather. And in here, it's like we got a whole bunch of lumber. These guys are out here working hard. Really appreciate it. Like, they work to sun up to sundown to take care of the house, build it right, all that good stuff. So basically right now we're walking in the side yard is where we are. So it's baby cakes right there. Yeah, so we're gonna have a pretty sizable backyard here, like open to below concept on the house. So that should be pretty cool. I basically haven't walked back here in the backyard for like quite some time. Let me show you guys the backyard, kind of what it looks like. This is all of our backyard. So you can only imagine like how I feel about the upcoming yard work when it comes to our backyard, but I'm super thankful. Thank you, Jesus. Gracias, Jesus Cristo, for the blessings, right? So anyway, just walk around the backyard. Got the lumber, back to kind of looking back at the house. I mean, when I'm back here, actually, let me do this. Let me get all the way back. I'm gonna go as far back. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go far back here right now. I'm going over here where you see some of the trash, some of the leftover Tyvek stuff. This is still our yard. We don't know exactly where the fence will be. We don't know exactly, right? But we're gonna be somewhere in the vicinity. So basically, all the way back here to the house, this is our yard. So ideally, Lord willing, we don't know, but Lord willing, we'd like to put a basketball court pretty much where I'm standing right now. That'll be really, really cool to see that come to fruition. So Lord willing, for sure. But yeah, so you can put a pool back here. We're thinking about putting like a workout space back here, kind of like a mini garage. Also, we'd put a workshop, because we like to, I guess me, but I guess technically I like to do the woodworking. But we do projects together and build little furniture from time to time. So we want a more suitable space for that. So we're hoping we get that accomplished in this house too. Oh my gosh, so excited. I really, really appreciate every blessing that God's giving, because man, oh man, I was literally talking to wifey here a couple of minutes ago and just thinking about the last time we were in San Antonio, and oh my gosh, we did not have it like this, to say the least. So we're very, very blessed for every opportunity, very thankful. Gratitude's a big thing, isn't it? Gratitude is a big, big thing. Thank you, baby Jesus. This is the coolest part for me, being able to wake up to this green belt. I can only imagine when it's all done. Just appreciate what God's doing for us, and coming out here, because through the day we work, we grind, get the dealios done, get the sales in, all that good stuff, and it's just cool to kind of come out and look at what the future could hold, Lord willing. All right, it's cool enough. All right, so yeah, we're here at the house, and what can I say? We're just appreciating it, kind of walking through. It's cool to be here, like, after work, on a weekday, just kind of chilling. But yeah, I can literally see like so much wood behind the camera. You guys can't see it right now, but I'm pretty confident that hopefully, if we get to come this weekend, we're gonna have a second story right here. And overall, I'm just appreciative, man. Like, this is what happens when you just commit to closing deals, and you could just commit to just thanking God for everything that you have, and just doing your work the right way, right? Like, you get blessed. So this is gonna be great. Like, this is a house that's pretty sizable. Like, it's bigger than our last house. It's in a location that we actually prefer more as far as like the backyard, where the neighborhood is. It's in San Antonio. I mean, come on. I mean, you can't really beat that, right? This is just awesome. I'm just happy. I'm just happy to be here. Like, I'm super blessed. So yeah, coolness. How you feel about the house?
I feel great.
Yeah, you loving it?
It's hot up in here.
It is pretty hot. We're just very blessed to have this, and like, we have been working hard, but God's been like just blessing us, I think, because of it.
Yeah.
And just the way that we're trying to live for Him and all that good stuff. So
yeah, and the thing is too, like, no matter what happens in life, like,
yeah,
the reason why I've been missing on my channel is also because I've been sick.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I haven't done an update video on my health, but with like the PCOS and the hyperplasia and everything and the infertility,
yeah,
it's easy to focus on the bad in life.
Totally.
It's easy to just be like, well, dang, like,
yeah,
we haven't gotten pregnant yet, or dang,
Yeah.
I've been feeling like crappy for like 2 months straight.
yeah,
But you look at all the blessings, and you look at, like, I've told my audiences forever,
mm-hmm.
appreciate what you do have instead of what you don't have.
Amen.
Because if you focus on what you don't have, your life,
Oh my
you
gosh.
don't leave room for what God can bless you
Yes.
with. Not everything's perfect. Everybody the life that you think is perfect is never perfect.
Probably super flawed.
Yeah, I've never been one to compare myself to anybody. I've learned, and my dad taught me this, to
Yeah.
always think someone else can always be way worse off than you.
True that.
And I always tell myself that, like,
Amen to that.
when like I got diagnosed with the PCOS and the hyperplasia, at first it was like a month or so where I was like, I really took it hard.
Yeah.
It was really rough. But then I started thinking about that. And I'm like, at least we caught it.
Yeah,
It could have been
that's
it could have been stage 4 cancer.
It was a blessing to catch it when you did.
Yeah,
100%.
it could have been way worse. And
Yeah.
I keep thinking that to myself, and I think of what God's doing all around us in our lives, and I'm just like,
Yeah.
it's papitas. like I say.
Papitas, mamas. Basically, what's going on with their house right now is that they've now put up the second floor joist. So the flooring joist for the second floor now up almost throughout the house. So now we have a little bit of shade
Yeah, let's show.
on our laundry room. We have a little bit of shade like over the kitchen now.
Yeah, let's
So
go.
let's explore. It's already a lot cooler in the house.
I know, this is crazy. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, Daryl. He just went underneath this.
So this is our living room right here.
No, this is our
I'm sorry, not the living room. I meant to say
dining room.
dining room / maybe study for you, maybe not.
Yeah, we're pondering some stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe piano room.
Oh yeah, this would be a great piano room.
Yeah.
If you walked in here and you had a grand piano, just popped, the top popped on it. That'd be super nice.
That would be very nice.
Just like here, yeah, because then you would flow into the kitchen from here.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. That door right there. That's a frame for a door, or not really a door. It's a hallway.
Yeah.
But I want to put like a really cool vintage door there.
And then now I'm in the pantry. I'm in the pantry. All right, let's keep walking down. Okay, here we are in our kitchen. So as you can see, ceilings here now. I think the cool thing that I'm noticing is that we now have the floor to our media room
Oh yeah.
becoming something, because the media room is going to jut out like above our patio in the back.
And then the 2-story living room.
Yeah.
I love this dining area. This is my favorite right here. Like seeing the ceiling up now. Wow.
Yeah.
It's really feeling like a house now.
It really is.
But yeah, guys. We weren't even gonna come here today. We actually just came to get Firehouse subs.
Yeah, we're just eating.
And then we were like, oh, well, let's take the food and go have like a little picnic.
Yeah.
At our house.
And here we are, right?
You know what? The only thing I wish, maybe we could do this when we move in, but I wish there was like a window in the kitchen. That would be beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
But it's all cabinets all along the ceiling.
Appliances, right?
Mm-hmm. But I mean, these windows are gonna be beautiful in itself, so it's okay.
I'm sure it's a little more pleasant to work out our house now too. Like now that there's a ceiling,
Mm-hmm.
you get a little bit of shade when you're working. You know,
Yeah. For the guys, yeah,
in the
for
construction.
sure. I know it's hot in Texas.
Right now, it's the summer in San Antonio.
Yeah, they work their butts off.
Yeah,
We
they
appreciate it so much. I love the view of all the trees. My gosh, this is gonna be really beautiful when we walk in.
Yeah.
And just seeing all. It's
And
like
you have so much view to that.
almost
so
like
much visibility.
360.
Right. Yeah. Almost.
Well, not really 360 for the whole house, but like
Yeah.
I feel like it's.
Well, yeah. I mean, you get at least this though.
That's what I'm saying.
This is big, and then you get to go upstairs and appreciate those windows more.
Mhm.
And up here, above the flooring right here is going to be a study, and that has big windows that face this view too. I just really appreciate like the separation that our house has from this next house over. It's actually a good amount of space right
It
there.
actually is, even on this side too.
Right. Yeah.
You can
So
tell.
we're very
that.
fortunate in that.
It's just close in the front, but then
Yeah.
it goes.
It
It goes.
really expands.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool.
See you on the next update.
See ya.
He is loving coming to the house. They didn't really do much work yet, as you can tell. But Daryl just likes filming it. It's so adorable. I have no idea what happened right there. You can see like right there. I'm not too sure what happened, but the rest of the neighborhood is coming along. It's looking gorgeous.
So, what is up, you guys? I got bugs around. What's up? So we're back at our house. All right, bugs are everywhere. So we're back at our house, and the framing is up on the downstairs. That's cool. What we're waiting on is for the rest of the second story floor joists to be put up, and then they can put up the framing for the second story, which would be awesome. So we're waiting on that, and right now Baby Kick is in the car. Just want to see how the video is going to come out. Just doing some tests. Yeah, so far so good. Definitely super excited for the house to be done. Can't wait to move in pretty soon. Well, not that soon, as you can see. We're still in sticks, but hopefully pretty soon the house is up. So can't wait to see what happens.